Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically CC or BCC yourself in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you need to keep track of sent emails in a separate folder or simply want to maintain a personal copy of important correspondence without manually adding yourself every single time. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This ensures that everything is synced and ready for configuration. Once everything has loaded properly, you can move forward with setting up the automatic CC or BCC feature. Now that your emails are displayed, navigate to the Home menu located at the top part of your screen. This is where all your primary tools and menus are housed. Click on the Home tab to access the main workspace where you'll find various quick action features designed to make your email management much more efficient. Once the Home menu has opened, direct your attention to the Quick Steps section. This area is specifically designed to help you automate repetitive tasks and save time. From here, click on Create New. Doing this will open a Quick Step Editor window, which is essentially your command center for creating custom email actions that fit your specific workflow needs. In the Quick Step Editor window, you'll first want to enter a name for your new Quick Step. You can call it something descriptive like Auto Self BCC or Auto Self CC, whatever makes the most sense for your workflow. This name will help you identify this action later when you're applying it to your emails. Next, look for the Choose Actions drop-down menu and click on it. This will reveal a list of available actions you can automate within Outlook. From this list, scroll through and locate the Reply action, then click on it to select it. Once the Reply action is selected, you'll notice an option that says Show Options. Click on Show Options to expand additional settings and reveal the recipient fields where you can configure who receives copies of your emails. In the expanded options, you'll see fields labeled Add CC and Add BCC. Click on the appropriate field depending on whether you want to carbon copy or blind carbon copy yourself. Then carefully enter your email address in the To field. This is the email address that will automatically receive a copy every time you use this quick step on an outgoing message. Double check that the email is entered correctly to avoid any delivery issues. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Finish. This finalizes the setup and saves your new quick step. From now on, whenever you apply this quick step to an email, it will automatically CC or BCC yourself, ensuring you always have a personal record without the hassle of manually adding your address each time. You've now successfully set up automatic CC or BCC in Outlook, making your email management smoother and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.